Right then, welcome back. This is a video of the Supernova selection box from the 50 quid deal in Morrisons. 30 fireworks. It's quite a nice looking box really, some really good nice fireworks in it for the money. A couple of big cakes there, 19 shot cakes. Some nice big fountains, there's a small missile cake there. Some Roman candles, shot tubes. It's quite a nice looking box really for the money. So I'd highly recommend this deal, definitely. You also get 10 sparklers are there. And you get the shot tubes. You get these fireworks as well. 316 shot cakes. And you get the rockets as well, 21 assaulted rockets all in the big box. 50 quid's not a bad deal really. It's a lot better than a lot of other supermarkets, so I'd highly recommend this, definitely from Morrisons.